Hi everybody, long time no see, it's Pepper here. So you'll probably see this outfit a lot in the next few videos because I am just recording the intros to a lot of my videos that I filmed since, I've been filming them since like June last year, but I don't film an intro before I start editing. So for some reason, I don't know why I need to not do that. So at the moment, I'm just going to do my intros in this and go from there. So first, so let's go. Welcome to my channel. I'm once again back at it, so we're gonna try to stay consistent this year. Consistency is key, and I don't know where mine's gone, so yes, let's see. So I have limited battery power on my phone, so I'm gonna make this quick. So this first video that I am going to record the intro for is about a pair of shoes that I've DIY'd for my dear friend Zoe. She's so beautiful and I am so excited to show you guys the finished product. I got these shoes and they're my favorite project to date. I am like, they look so cool in my opinion, but so I'm very excited and hopefully I can get her to do a little photo shoot for me so we can put some stuff on Instagram and get everything going. So without further ado, here is what I call the DIY designer shoes. So here is the before shot before I've done anything with them. I've just taken the tag off, and they're just white sort of tennis shoes with a red ribbon on the side and blue at the back. So we're gonna go in and make them look super cool. So I've got some acetone right there to go in with on the dark blue, as I'm doing right now, just to leach as much of the dark pigment out before I go in with a different color. So I want to go in with a green, but you'll probably see in a minute that that didn't work out quite as well the first time around. So here I am just painting it with the green. My choice of television show is Miraculous Ladybug or Dairy Girls. There's no in between. I'm either super childish or super weird, so they're both hilarious shows. Otherwise I'll be watching true crime because I'm that person. But yeah, as we'll see in a moment, the first coat was a fail. Okay, so this is them so far. The colour hasn't changed too much, I don't think. So I'm going to do something a little bit lighter, but if you can see, it is more green than beforehand. So I might go over this with acetone again and then do a lighter colour. And hopefully that'll turn out really nicely. But I'm quite happy with how neat everything is, and we're going to get on to the next part after this. Alright, so this is looking so much better. I'm quite happy with how they're going. I'm just going to use some Q-tips and acetone to clean up around the edges, and then we're going to get started on the gold flakes. So we're on to the gold leafing now. I've got some Mod Podge and we are doing her initials on the side of the shoe, and then I'm going to basically just dip the paintbrush in the Mod Podge and go in between these two rows of stitches. Oh! There we go, that's lying down better. Go in between these two rows of stitches, and then I'm picking up a bit of gold leaf with the back of my brush and chucking it on there, and just gonna keep going until it's all added onto this little bit, and I think we're done. We might chuck the laces back on in a different style. I've been looking at a few different styles of laces to put them on. Although I do kind of really want some green laces. I feel like that would be cool, or some red laces. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm just going to keep going with this and then I'll show you a finished product. Okay, so as you can see, I've added the gold leaf all around this part of the shoe. And I'm going to just take a brush, this is one of my old makeup brushes, and try to gently brush it off without wrecking it too much. And hopefully it will have the desired effect. I might need to go over it again with another layer, but it's starting to come together, I think. I'm very excited about this. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue to brush off the excess leaf. So you can see it's starting to go there. I was a bit worried because I don't have a proper like gold leaf sealant, but I feel like Mod Podge works just as well. So we're just gonna go ahead, remove all of the excess gold foil. I'm gonna do another layer to set the base as well as fill in where it didn't stick beforehand. So I'm going to do that and do it to the other shoe. Okay, so I think this is going to be my final round on these shoes. I'm very happy with the progress. I'm going to go in with a toothbrush that I use for painting and get this, like, clean this up a little bit. And then cover it with Mod Podge to seal it all, and I will show you the final result. I don't know if I'm going to paint around this with black. Probably not, now that I think about it, but I was thinking about doing it with black. But I think this is enough for now. So we're gonna go ahead, clean up, and I'm going to paint over this with white so that it's nice for her, and then we'll be done. Okay, so the final thing that I'm going to do is add the shoelaces. I'm going to do it like this. So basically what you do is you add the laces in here and you make sure that they come out underneath. Then you skip 2 holes here and go diagonally up. So you go through that hole there, so you leave these 2 empty, and you go diagonally up and through the front, and then you go underneath and push it up through here. You do the same on the other side, and then with the one that's come out on this side, you go up to this one, and then you go under and you lace it up into the other remaining hole, and then you do it on the other side, and it'll look like this. I'm going to link a video in the description because I can't hold my camera and do this at the same time. Well, we can try. We'll try. Let's see how we go. Okay, so we're going to put it in so that it lines up like this, and they come out the bottom. So then with this strand, we're going to skip 2 holes. Make sure it's nice and neat. Oh, this is difficult with one hand. So 1, 2, and then you go in through this one and pull it tight so it looks like that, and it comes out the bottom again. And then you're going to go underneath and push this bit out through here so it looks like that, and then you're going to repeat it on the other side. So I'll do that. So now it looks like this. So we're going to take this lace here. I switched it around. I put this one underneath because I want it to be exactly opposite. So this one is going crisscrossing that way, so that's over the top. So then I want this one to be over the top. So now we're going to lift this one, put that through there. So it's like that, and we just do it on the other side. So that goes through like that, and then underneath. And finally, This one will come up through that one, and that one will go through that, and you just tuck it in the bottom, and we're done. I do all my crafting on my bed. I don't like doing it at a table, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna chuck this in here. I got some gold tissue paper, and we're going to wrap that up there. I'm gonna wrap it up nicely, and I will show you the final result.
So, I bought these shoes a while back, and Beautiful Minty made them up for me. I have no clue what they look like, but I'm very, very keen. She wanted me to video my reaction, so that's exactly what she's gonna get. So, oh my god. My god, and even the laces, what the hell? Look how cute these are. I love these so much, and oh my god. Look how cute these are. Oh my god, I love them so much. What the hell? Oh, it's got my initials on it. Oh my god. I love these so much, and I'm gonna put them on. I'm keen. These are so cute. Oh my god. I love it so much. Oh my god. Let's see if we can get like a full kind of. You outdid yourself, Minty. Look at that. Oh. I love them. These are amazing.
That's all from me, guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.